Welcome back. Today we are doing a deep dive on a product that's been all over our feeds, the Velokee Smart Ring. It looks incredibly professional, and a lot of you have been asking a really simple question.
Is it legit?
Exactly. Is this cutting-edge tech, or is it just, a very convincing online facade?
Right.
So our mission today is to cut through that marketing, look at the source material, and really pinpoint the red flags that you, as a consumer, should be watching for.
And with something like this, a supposed high-tech device, you have to start with the company's foundation.
Okay.
They're pushing this as a next-generation health tracker. I mean, some of the capabilities they claim are seriously advanced.
So if the foundation is shaky,
The product claims tend to just crumble.
all right, so let's put those claims on the table. They call it a Gen 4 device.
Which is a huge tell, but go on.
It's got the full suite, heart rate, blood oxygen, even temperature readings,
Detailed sleep analysis, gesture controls.
and a 5 ATM waterproof rating. So they're saying you can swim with it.
And, of course, the massive discount to create that sense of urgency.
The classic limited time offering.
Exactly. But this is where it gets really interesting and where we hit that first major contradiction.
Let's hear it.
The domain history. Our sources show the Velokee website was created on October 31st, 2025.
Wait, hold on. Let me just stop you.
Go ahead.
You're saying this Gen 4 product, which would imply, what, years of R&D?
At least years of biometric science, testing, user feedback.
It comes from a company whose entire online presence is less than a month old.
Barely 3 weeks old. Precisely. It's not a startup story. It's a marketing campaign that just materialized out of thin air.
That's a huge red flag right there.
It's the biggest one. For any kind of fourth-generation biometric device, you'd expect to find years of development, customer reviews, certifications,
A digital trail.
a verifiable history. Velokee provides absolutely none of that.
Okay, so let's turn to some of the other red flags. What about the website itself? The transparency.
Or lack thereof.
Right. Their About Us page is a masterclass in saying nothing at all,
It's all buzzwords. Global innovation, passion for technology.
but nothing concrete. No business registration number, no names for the team, not even a physical address.
And that vagueness extends to the product itself. The photos of the ring.
What about them?
The analysis shows they look identical to stock images that generic manufacturers use.
So not their own product photography.
It seems highly unlikely, and there are no real-life demos, no independent reviews, no proof at all that the sensors inside actually work.
So we're looking at a digital storefront built with stock photos, pretending to be proprietary tech.
It's a classic visual shortcut. And it brings us back to that Gen 4 claim.
Yeah, that detail really bothers me.
It should. If this is Generation 4, where are Generations 1, 2, and 3? There is absolutely no online footprint, no old reviews, no press releases, nothing.
It's like they never existed.
Because they probably didn't.
Then there are the logistical issues, long shipping times.
Which suggests it's being drop-shipped from an overseas supplier, not from a dedicated tech brand's warehouse.
And the return policy is pretty murky, especially on what happens if the electronics are just, defective.
It's all part of a pattern. The new domain, the stock images, the fake history, the vague policies. It's designed to create this sense of vaporware velocity.
Vapor air velocity.
Yeah, sell the idea fast with a sense of urgency before anyone has time to look behind the curtain and realize there's nothing there.
So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you, the person who sees this ad and is about to click buy?
It means you approach this with extreme caution. The warning signs aren't just there, they're everywhere.
They're clustered. It's not one thing, it's everything together.
Right, and the real takeaway here isn't just about this one ring, it's about recognizing the playbook.
The shiny website, the deep discount, the sudden appearance.
Exactly. This is happening hundreds of times a day with different gadgets, so it really leaves you with a question to think about.
Which is,
The next time you see that must-have piece of tech online, ask yourself, what am I actually buying? Am I buying a tested, finished product with real history?
or am I just buying a really, really well-designed story that launched last week?